Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a store-bought 7 whole grain organic boiled rice. How we can make it quick and easy. This one is very simple. It just needs 90 seconds in microwave and they are all ready. I'm going to use ground turkey. This is a 3 pound of ground turkey and I'm going to use 1 pound. The following spices I'm going to use. 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'm using a parsley flake, 1 teaspoon. You can use a cilantro or you can use it fresh. Half teaspoon salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon, crushed pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Let's start making delicious ground turkey with salmon whole grain. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Keep the gas on high. I'll bring 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll bring ground turkey, 1 pound. Mix it well. We're going to cook ground turkey really well. As you see, it starts changing color. This one don't take that long to cook, so keep moving so it won't get burnt. Cooking for exactly 2 minutes. It has released all the water. The ground meat, turkey, keema has changed the color. And we're going to cook it well until the water evaporates. It dries up. Cooking for 4 minutes. This is how the keema looks. It's fully, nicely cooked. And it starts to release the oil. There is no more water, moisture. I'll bring all the spices, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, red crushed pepper, ginger, parsley flake, mix it well. I'm going to bring the gas to medium and we're going to cook the spices for 1 more minute. I'll bring gas to simmer, which is low. I'm going to use 1 bowl. You can make this one in a skillet as well. This is the best way to do it. Open this much, that's it. And we're going to put it in microwave. So we're going to open the microwave, place it right in the middle. So we're going to use it 1.5 minutes, which is 90 seconds. We're almost done. It's 6 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. It's all done. Be careful, don't pick it up from top. Just pick it up from right here. I'll bring gas to medium. Mix it again. Now we're going to open the package. And we're going to bring the salmon whole grain. We're going to mix it well. For this much turkey, you need 2 pouches. The reason I'm using 1 pouch because I'm going to eat plain rice along with it. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring the gas to simmer. We're going to spread it evenly. Cover the lid. Simmer for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes. On simmer. Turn off the gas. Get my serving platter. And I will dish out. Our quick and easy ground turkey with 7 whole grains is all ready. This is very healthy, high protein diet for kids. As I mentioned earlier, 2 pouches and 1 pound of keema. Or you can use it basmati rice. But my kids, they love it this way. They want more meat. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.